Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So without wasting your time, let's jump to the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one work for you. Fix 3 is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation network account, go to settings, users and accounts, others, sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back. And then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then if you have any other secondary account, then log in with that and check if that works or not. Fix 4 is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Select INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 5 is to switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on your PS5 and then check. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and then check. Or you can simply restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 6 is to rebuild database on PS5. Power off your PS5, but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and then select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now launch INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab, turn off enable HDCP and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Fix 8 is to delete game data and cache. But please take a note, you must back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to setting, save data and game/app settings, select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage delete. Now select INAZUMA 11 Victory Road and then select delete OK. Now restart your console and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Now change DNS settings from automatic to manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit OK and then launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit OK. Then launch the game again and check if your problem is fixed or not. And the last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So simply uninstall the game and then reinstall the game on your PS5 consoles and then check. Now if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and check if that helps or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to solve INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.